Hello, and welcome to our lesson on how to learn English fast in 5 steps. As we all know, learning a new language can be a daunting task, but with the right approach and mindset, it can be done quickly and efficiently. In this lesson, I will be sharing with you 5 simple steps that you can take to learn English fast and improve your fluency. Step 1. Put yourself out there and speak. The first step in learning any language is to start speaking it. This may seem scary at first, but the more you speak, the more comfortable you will become with the language. You can start by speaking with native speakers, or even just practicing with yourself in front of a mirror. The key is to just start speaking and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Step 2. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Learning a new language can be uncomfortable at times, but it's important to push through those feelings and continue to practice. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more comfortable you will become with it. So, don't be afraid to put yourself in situations where you have to speak English, even if it's uncomfortable. Step 3. Use speed reading. Reading is a great way to improve your vocabulary and understanding of the language. Speed reading is a technique that can help you read faster and retain more information. By reading more, you will be able to learn new words and phrases quickly and efficiently. Step 4. Use songs. Songs are a great way to learn English fast because they are easy to remember and fun to listen to. Not only will you be learning new words and phrases, but you'll also be improving your listening skills. So, find some English songs that you enjoy and start singing along. Step 5. Learn English in pieces. Learning a new language can be overwhelming, so it's important to break it down into smaller pieces. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on one area at a time. For example, start with learning the alphabet, then move on to basic grammar and vocabulary. By taking it one step at a time, you will be able to learn English fast and efficiently. In conclusion, learning a new language can be a challenging task, but with these 5 simple steps, you can improve your fluency and learn English fast. Remember to speak, get comfortable with being uncomfortable, use speed reading, use songs, and learn the language in pieces. With these tips and a positive attitude, you can achieve your goal of fluency in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me. Happy learning!